So now let's try an example just from start to finish, all and one. So we have the number of serves by tennis players and within their first tournament, what that was. So one ace happened 4 times, two aces happened 11, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm just going to make this uh, horizontally instead of vertically. So if this is our x and this is our frequency, so our f of x, we're going to multiply these numbers together. And when we multiply them, we get 4. 2 and 11 is 22. And then we have 54, and then 52, and then 35 and 12. And our sum, if we add up our total number of frequencies, there are 55 of them. And our total product sum is 179. And then if we do our cumulative, so our cumulative frequency, I'm just going to put our CF here. It's going to be 4. And then when we add 11, we're going to be at 15. And then we're going to be at 33. And then we're going to be at 46 when we add 13 to that. And then add 7 more. And you're at 53. And then add your 2 more. And you're at our total of 55. This number right here should always match that number right there. Um, you're just doing it cumulatively instead of individually there. Okay, so our mean, if you remember, our mean, let me scroll up a little bit, is the sum of our product divided by the sum of our frequency. So we're going to have 179 divided by 55, and that gives us a 3 sig fig 3.25 aces. So our mean is 3.25. Our median, if you remember, an easy way to find it is to take your n plus 1 and divide it by 2. So that gives us 55 plus 1 and divided by 2 gives us the 28th term. So because we have an odd number, it's going to actually be an actual term number, where in the last example, in the last video, we had to find it between the terms 20 and 21. So the 28th term is our median. So when we look at this, our 28th term is going to fall right in here. And so that's the number 3. And so our median is going to be 3. And then our mode, remember mode is most often. So again, when we go to our frequencies, the highest number here is 18. So 18 threes that we had, which means 3 is our mode. So our mode would be 3 as well. And that is how we use a frequency table.